Gentlemen, the arrival of spring signifies a time of renewal, not only in nature, but also within ourselves. As the days grow longer and warmer, they evoke feelings of encouragement that can inspire a shift in mindset and behavior. This transition from winter to spring serves as a powerful metaphor for personal growth. Just as nature reawakens, introducing vibrant colors and life after the starkness of winter, individuals are presented with the opportunity to reassess their goals and priorities. Spring is often associated with new beginnings. It is a season that encourages individuals to let go of the past and embrace change. Embracing outdoor exercise and activity as spring approaches and the weather becomes more temperate. Engaging in outdoor exercise presents numerous benefits for men looking to enhance their physical and mental well-being. The transition from indoor workouts to fresh air activities offers not only a change of scenery but also invigorates the body and mind. Outdoor physical activity can significantly contribute to overall health improvement while also providing a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature. Cultivating mental and spiritual health. As we transition into the invigorating season of spring, it presents a unique opportunity to focus on cultivating mental and spiritual health. This period of renewal is ideal for integrating practices that foster emotional clarity and self-reflection. Meditate, pray, just sit and exhale. Setting goals for a brighter future. As spring approaches, it presents a perfect opportunity to embrace change by setting achievable goals that can enhance your well-being. Establishing clear objectives not only helps in organizing personal aspirations, but also provides a framework for self-improvement. Engaging with others on a similar journey can enhance motivation, allowing for shared experience and the exchange of strategies to overcome challenges. As the season progresses, regularly review and adjust your goals as necessary, ensuring they remain relevant and achievable.